Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account.
I'd be happy to help you. Let me show you the types of accounts we offer. We have two main types. A savings account, which is good for everyday personal use. You can deposit and withdraw money anytime, and it earns 0.25% interest per year, paid every 6 months. A current account, which is mainly for businesses. It does not earn interest, but it comes with a checkbook, which allows you to make payments by writing checks instead of using cash or transfers, and allows higher transaction limits. Most people who want to manage personal finances choose the savings account. There's no annual fee for the account itself. The minimum initial deposit is 500 baht. We also offer a debit card for ATM withdrawals and in-store payments. The card has a 100 baht issuing fee and a 200 baht annual fee. But you can skip the card if you prefer mobile banking. With our mobile banking app, you can check your balance, transfer money, pay utility and internet bills, top up your phone, pay vendors using QR code, including shops, food stalls, and markets. Withdraw cash from ATMs using a QR code, no card needed.
That sounds good. I'd like to open a savings account.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. How much would you like to deposit today? The minimum is 500 baht.
I'll deposit 500,000 baht.
Perfect. Please fill out this form. All done. Your account is now open and your deposit has been received. Here is your passbook. It shows your account activity. You can update it at any ATM or bank branch. Would you like a debit card or would you prefer to use mobile banking?
I'll use mobile banking.
Great choice. Please download our mobile banking app from your phone's app store. Once you open the app, tap Register, then enter your account number and passport information. You'll create a PIN and can also enable fingerprint login or face recognition if your phone supports it. Let me know if you need help with the setup.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.